Have you ever felt like this is it? Like there's nowhere left to go? Like you did everything right, yet the world still rejected you? Like you're all alone, in the dark, with no way out. That's exactly how the prophet felt. A chosen man, a messenger of God, inside the belly of a whale, at the bottom of the ocean, with zero chance of survival. And it was right here, at this point of absolute finality, that one of the greatest miracles ever took place. Today, you'll learn the story of Prophet Yunus from the Quran. Yunus was there, literally. You, maybe only metaphorically, for now. Nineveh, a massive city, 100,000 people. Sound familiar? A big city that just doesn't care. Allah sent Yunus there. His mission, to deliver the truth, to warn them, to give them a chance. Yunus went. He spoke. He repeated himself. They didn't listen. They didn't accept him. They mocked him. Have you ever poured your heart into something, only to get silence in return? Did everything right, only to be ignored? That's where the real crisis begins. Not the external one, the internal one. Yunus left, without permission, without a sign. He just got up and walked away. Now, pay attention. This isn't about weak character. This is about emotional burnout. He couldn't take it anymore. His strength was gone. His patience was at zero. He did what many of us do. He ran away from his responsibility. And this is where it gets interesting. Because right here, destiny reminds him who he really is. A ship, a storm, panic. The crew realized someone was to blame. They cast lots. It fell on Yunus. 3 times. 3 times in a row. Coincidence? No. When there's a plan, there are no coincidences. He jumped, or he was thrown, and in that moment, from the depths, a whale appeared. Massive, silent, waiting. 3 layers of darkness. The Quran mentions this clearly. First, the depths of the ocean. Second, the belly of the whale. Third, the night. Imagine that place. No air, no light, no sound. No human had ever been there before him. No one. After. This isn't a metaphor. This is literally the end. And it was right there that he remembered. La ilaha illa Anta. Subhanaka. Inni kuntu minaz-zalimin. There is no God but you. Glory be to you. Truly, I have been among the wrongdoers. 3 phrases, and the ocean began to move. The whale cast him onto the shore. Allah provided him with shade, water, peace. He restored him. He didn't just pull him out. He repaired him and sent him back to the very place Yunus had fled from. Nineveh, 100,000 people. They believed, every single one of them. The same city that hadn't listened. Sometimes, time isn't a delay, it's preparation. Many people recite this like a formula. 3 times in the morning, 3 times at night, waiting for a miracle. The miracle doesn't come. Why? Because it's not a request. It's a code of humility. There is no God but you. This isn't just a statement. It's a position. You let go of everything you relied on. Money, connections, your own ego, everything. Only He remains. Glory be to you. This is an admission. What is happening to me is not a mistake. You are perfect in your timing. Even when I don't understand, even when it hurts. Truly, I have been among the wrongdoers. This is the hardest part. Not forgive me, not I was wrong. I am unjust. Present tense. Honest. That is the secret. Allah does not want perfect words. He wants honesty. The most dangerous myth. If I'm suffering, Allah is angry with me. Stop. Yunus was a prophet, one of the best people to walk this earth, and he ended up inside a whale. A trial is not a punishment. It is a process. Gold doesn't become gold on its own. It goes through fire. The heat removes the impurities. Are you in the fire right now? Maybe. You are being purified. Enough theory. Your whale is real. Debt, loneliness, depression, a job that's crushing your soul. Yunus found a way out, not by luck, but through a method. 3 steps. Step 1. Stop running from your darkness. Write one honest sentence. Right now. I am in. Don't sugarcoat it. Just name it. Step 2. Admit it. Without bargaining. I have been unjust. Say the dua. Out loud. Slowly. Like a conversation. Step 3. Wait, but act. Take one small step. Today. You've watched until this point. That's not an accident. This isn't a motivational cliche. I mean it. You could have closed this video at any moment. You didn't. That means something inside you knows. Your whale is about to let you go. Write one word in the comments. Just one. The thing you want to leave behind right now. Don't explain. Just write it. We will read every single one. La ilaha illa Anta. Subhanaka. Inni kuntu minaz-zalimin. Don't navigate the darkness alone. Find your light here. Subscribe now.